This is an instructional video to help you drill out the John Deere seed boots to install the Needham Ag bushings. So this is a video that's actually designed for the 50, the 60 and the 90 series boots, and it's basically going to walk you through the steps that we found are required to drill out the boots. So basically the 50, the 60 and the standard wear boots for the 90 series are pretty easy to drill out. They're just a cast material. However, the extended wear John Deere seed boots for the 90 series are a lot harder material. They're actually a chrome alloy material. It's about a Rockwell C45 to 50, and as a result of that hardness it's a lot harder to drill out, so it takes a lot more care. So this is an extended wear seed boot. We just drilled this one out, we drilled some others out, and you can see that the holes drilled using the drill bit that we supply is extremely clean, almost a mirror finish. So this is kind of what we're looking to achieve. So let's think about some of the things that we're going to do to achieve this goal. The first thing that we do is we center the drill bit within the piece, and to do that on the 90 series we use a 29/64 drill bit. So all we do is basically put the 29/64 drill bit in the chuck, lower the chuck into the piece, make sure it's centered, and then clamp it securely in the vise. This is a heavy vise within the table. We then replace the 29/64 bit with a 5/8 bit, and it's a slightly oversized 5/8 bit. The OD on the bushings is 0.626, and the drill bit is approximately 0.641. So it's slightly bigger, and that's by design. We need a little play around the bushing to allow it to pivot forwards and backwards away from the disc. Okay, so some things that we need to be aware of when we're using the drill bit that we supply. The first observation, we get calls from producers or machine shops that drill 48 or 58 or 68 extended wear seed boots out with the 5/8 drill bit that we supply. They don't have any problems. We then get another guy that breaks the tip off the drill bit, maybe going through the first seed boot or the second one. So there's a lot of difference from a point of view of some of the things that they're doing to drill out the boot. In most examples, because this is a carbide tipped percussion drill bit, the carbide tip is very fragile. It's extremely hard. It's well capable of drilling out these boots, but vibration kills it. It's fragile, so it breaks the tip off if you have any vibration. So any play in the chuck assembly, if the piece is not anchored very securely within a heavy-duty drill press vise table assembly like what we got right here, and you get any vibration at all, it's going to break the tip off. So be aware of that. Regarding speed, you need 500 to 600 RPM with these drill bits. That's going to throw out some hot fragments, some pieces of blue material as you see here. That's normal. You need the heat to drill out the material. Do not use a coolant. Some different people have used different cutting fluids or oil, and then they'll call and say they can't drill them out. That's simply because the piece is cool. Without the heat, you're going to have a hard time drilling it. So 500 to 600 RPM. The bits that we recommend for the extended wear seed boots are these, the 5/8 percussion carbide tip drill bits, and we're going to go ahead and drill it out. So go ahead and put on the safety glasses. We need that for safety reasons. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start the drill press. I'm going to drill about halfway through. I'm going to lift up, check. I'm going to drill a little bit more, and as I get close to exiting the first lug, I'm going to go through with very light pressure. Then when I drill through that, we're going to continue on down to the second lug, kind of lifting it every few seconds, watching to see how far I've gotten through it, and then drilling through the second lug with light pressure. Okay, it will throw out some hot fragments, as I've mentioned. Again, heat is required to drill through it. So here we go. And this drill bit, by the way, has drilled a few out now, probably 12 seed boots, the extended wear ones. It's not a new one. You can see that wear does begin to take place here on the fly tin, but the tip's still fine. about 80% the way through now. Almost through. We're going to go through now on light pressure. So we're through the first log. About halfway through the second log. About 90% through the second log. Now we're going to go through the second one with light pressure. So that's how we do it. So we've drilled out the first one and the second one, 500 to 600 RPM, holding the boot tight, and no lubrication. If you have any questions, you can call us or email us. There's more information on the boot kits, on the bushing kits, on our website, needhamag.com. Thanks for watching.